Hey guys, here's a 52-inch Hampton Bay Cameron 2 Plus ceiling fan in the Oxford Silver finish. This fan features reversible rosewood and cedar blades, and it has a Cameron Collection 3-leaf light kit. This particular model is from either April or May of 1999. And yeah, this was one of the designer series models. There was a slew of these. It came in all different finishes, different light kits, blade colors, pretty much anything imaginable. They just had, the same motor and components that a regular Cameron would have. This one took a lot of work. I actually picked this up off of a listing for really cheap today. And pretty much the picture, you don't really see too much in the pictures, but when you get the fan, you see a lot of the flaws. This one, unfortunately, was installed in the kitchen, and the blades were, greasier than a 50s greaser. And it took me about 20 minutes for each blade to get them presentable. Even some of the blades, in the process of getting that grease off, it did tear away some of the finish, so it's not as perfect as it would be, but it's just here. But mechanically it works. Something fell. But mechanically it works fine. It's really quiet, not really even a hum to it. Came all complete. It was only missing actually one of the pull chain fobs. But yeah, it came with the mounting bracket and everything else, so there's no complaints. And yeah, it's a pretty cool fan. I'm really looking after some of these Camerons now because I think it's pretty cool getting every single variation of them. But that's besides the point. I'll demonstrate it. Here's the light. And of course the bulb didn't work. That goes on. That bulb was working fine when I first put it in, but now it wants to not work. Sorry about that. And here's low. This is one of the variations that I don't see too often either. I do see a lot of the other kinds with the 4 light kits, and I also see a lot of the ones with the with that big bowl light kit. But I don't see many of these around, so I think it's pretty cool to get one. It has a nice low speed too, Here's medium. And it's really moving the air around in here. It's doing just a fine job. And of course, you guys all know these are the above average Hampton Bay fan of their time. But these rows are a really cool fan, especially for a big box store. You don't really see too many other places having one set brand or one set model, and then they're varying it by the style of it. With the exception of showrooms, you don't see it at like other Home Depots, Lowe's, Ace Hardwares. You just don't see it anymore, and it's a shame. But the way it is now, just there's a different model for everything. But just think this was a very interesting series when they made these. Anyway, here's high. And it really is moving the air in here. It does have a slight wobble. This thing was taken down with the blades on, so no surprise. But I'll get close to it and show you. That noise is just the set screw. I didn't tighten it. There's a coppery tint to it, which is kind of cool. Up there it says the date. What is it? Okay, it's May of '99. I didn't realize that. But, and you can see some of the residue. You kind of still see it on the reflection there. But unfortunately, that's the case. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.